Imagine packing your bags, booking a flight, and just showing up in another country with no visa hassles. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for Americans in 2025, there are actually several countries where you can land and walk right in. No embassy paperwork, no waiting for approval, just pure travel freedom. This is Advent Traveler, and today we're breaking down 8 countries where you can visit instantly without a visa this year. Oh, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and let's get on with the video. Japan has opened its doors wider than ever, making it easier for Americans to experience the magic of this incredible country. With a visa-free stay of up to 90 days, you can immerse yourself in the vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and world-famous cuisine without the hassle of paperwork. Fly into Tokyo and dive into the city's neon-lit nights, bustling districts like Shibuya, and the peaceful beauty of ancient temples in Kyoto. Don't miss the Shinkansen bullet train, connecting major cities at lightning speed. Visit during spring to witness the breathtaking cherry blossoms or sakura. Try a traditional ryokan inn, soak in an onsen hot spring, or sample sushi at a local market. Travel tip: consider purchasing a Japan Rail Pass to save on train travel. Japan is known for its safety, cleanliness, and helpful locales, making it a fantastic destination for solo travelers and families alike. Whether you're exploring futuristic cities, tranquil gardens, or historic shrines, Japan offers unforgettable adventures for every traveler. So pack your bags and get ready to discover the land of the rising sun. No visa required. South Korea allows Americans to visit visa-free for up to 90 days, making it perfect for both quick trips and longer stays. In Seoul, you'll instantly notice the fusion of high-tech innovation and centuries-old tradition. The city buzzes with neon lights, yet peaceful palaces offer a quiet escape. Foodies will love Gwangjang Market, where you can try bindae-tteok pancakes, spicy tteokbokki, and maya kimbap. Korean barbecue is a must. Grill your own meat right at the table. At night, street food stalls serve up hotteok and skewered treats. For a change of pace, head to Busan. Relax on Hyundai Beach or stroll Gwangali Beach with views of Gwangan Bridge. Busan's beaches, seafood, and nightlife are a traveler's delight. South Korea's unique blend of tradition and technology will leave you inspired and eager to explore more. Thailand is a paradise for travelers, and it's never been easier for Americans to experience its wonders. With visa-free entry for up to 30 days, you can step off the plane and dive straight into adventure. Bangkok's bustling streets are alive with color, sound, and the irresistible aroma of street food. Savor spicy pad thai from a night market vendor, or sip fresh coconut juice as you wander vibrant neighborhoods. Head south to Phuket for white sand beaches and crystal clear water, or fly north to Chiang Mai for ancient temples and lush mountains. Visit Elephant Nature Park, hike Doi Inthanon, or catch the Yipeng Lantern Festival for a magical night. Take a Thai cooking class, ride a tuk-tuk, or shop at Chatuchak Market. Dress modestly at temples and carry cash for small purchases. Whether you're chasing sunsets or making new friends, Thailand's instant paradise is waiting. No visa required. Want Europe without the wait? The United Kingdom is your gateway to a classic European adventure, and the best part is, Americans can stay up to 6 months without needing a visa. That means you can take your time exploring the vibrant streets of London, from the historic Tower of London to the trendy markets of Camden, and the world-class museums like the British Museum and Tate Modern. Venture north to Scotland, where the dramatic Highlands, ancient castles, and the lively city of Edinburgh await. Don't miss the chance to try authentic Scottish whiskey or catch a festival like the world-famous Edinburgh Fringe. For a slower pace, explore the cozy English villages with their thatched cottages and welcoming pubs. Take a day trip to Stonehenge, wander the university towns of Oxford and Cambridge, or enjoy afternoon tea in a countryside manor. The UK is packed with unique experiences, from literary tours in the Lake District to coastal walks in Cornwall. With so much to see and do, your European adventure starts here. No visa required. France is another gem for American travelers, offering a seamless blend of history, art, and world-famous cuisine. Whether you're wandering the romantic streets of Paris or exploring the charming villages of Provence, there's something for everyone. Americans can enjoy up to 90 days in this stunning country visa-free, making it easy to immerse yourself in French culture without the hassle of paperwork. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the rolling vineyards of Bordeaux and Champagne, France is a cultural dream trip made simple. Don't miss the café culture. Savor a fresh croissant and espresso while people watching in a Parisian square, or take in the vibrant art scene in Montmartre. Venture beyond the cities to experience the lavender fields of Provence, cycle through the Loire Valley's castles, or relax on the sun-soaked beaches of the French Riviera. Brush up on a few basic French phrases, locals appreciate the effort, and it'll make your trip even smoother. Traveling by train is efficient and scenic, connecting you to every corner of the country. With its rich culture, diverse landscapes, and easy visa-free access, France is a must-visit for Americans in 2025. Alright, so next up, head to South America, and Brazil greets Americans visa-free for 90 days. Carnival, Rio beaches, the Amazon, it's all open instantly, seriously. Start your journey in Rio de Janeiro, where the vibrant carnival parades will leave you mesmerized. The city's iconic beaches like Copacabana and Ipanema are perfect for soaking up the sun and enjoying the lively atmosphere. For nature enthusiasts, the Amazon rainforest offers an unparalleled adventure. Explore the dense jungle, spot exotic wildlife, and experience the unique ecosystem that thrives in this vast region. Don't miss the breathtaking Iguazu Falls, one of the largest and most impressive waterfall systems in the world. The sheer power and beauty of the falls are a sight to behold. In Sao Paulo, immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting bustling street markets and savoring traditional Brazilian cuisine, including the famous churrasco. For a unique wildlife experience, head to the Pantanal wetlands, where you can take a boat tour and see a diverse array of animals in their natural habitat. And of course, no trip to Brazil is complete without witnessing a samba performance. The rhythm and energy of this traditional dance will captivate you and leave you wanting more. With so much to see and do, Brazil is a top destination for American travelers looking for adventure, culture, and natural beauty. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable South American journey. If you're craving adventure, South Africa is calling. Americans can visit visa-free for up to 90 days, giving you plenty of time to explore. Go on a thrilling safari in Kruger National Park, where you might spot elephants, lions, and rhinos in their natural habitat. Discover Cape Town's stunning scenery, from the iconic Table Mountain to the colorful streets of Bo-Kaap. Hike up the mountain for breathtaking views, or relax on the beaches where penguins waddle along the shore. Don't miss the world-class vineyards of Stellenbosch, perfect for wine lovers. Whether you're surfing at Muizenberg or exploring vibrant city life, South Africa offers wild beauty and unforgettable experiences, all without the hassle of a visa. And finally, Indonesia. Bali is the crown jewel, but there's so much more to explore across this incredible country. Bali alone makes this worth it, trust me. From world-famous beaches and lush jungles to ancient temples and vibrant nightlife, there's something for every traveler. Americans can visit Indonesia visa-free for 30 days, giving you plenty of time to island hop beyond Bali. Think the Gili Islands, Lombok, or even Komodo National Park. And honestly, it's one of the cheapest tropical escapes you can find. Delicious street food, affordable stays, and endless adventure. Indonesia is a dream destination for Americans in 2025. So there you go, 8 countries you can literally just fly to this year. No visa drama, no waiting around. Just book your ticket and start exploring. If this list sparked some travel inspiration, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more guides that make your next adventure easier. Where would you go first? Drop your answer in the comments, I'd love to know. Thanks for watching.